How to write a blog post, 5 tips you must follow. But what is a blog post? A blog post is a written text useful for informing, teaching, or selling online by attracting an interested person. A blog post is very important to better position your website on search engines. How to write a blog post? Here is 5 tips you must follow. The 5th tip is decisive. Tip 1. Identify a problem that your prospect feels very much about. Tip 2. Search for a long-tail keywords linked to the problem to use as the main keyword for your post. Tip 3. Write a text of at least 300 words by inserting the keyword at the beginning of the title, at the beginning of the text, and at least 3 or 4 times within the text. Tip 4. Insert in the text at least one image that contains the main keyword in the file name. Tip 5. Enter at least one video in the post that contains the main keyword chosen for the post in the file name, video title, and speech of the video. Please subscribe the channel and activate the bell. Free digital